Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at, this is the Honeywell Basic 3 fan. This is an absolutely fantastic fan. If my cameraman will go ahead and zoom in on it so we can check it out and check out all the details. Now first off, easily adjustable up and down, and of course left and right just by moving it left and right. It does have 3 different power settings, which I'll turn around for you to see here in a moment. You can see 1, the lowest speed. 2, kicks up speed a little bit. 3, and then off. It is available on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, and an A to Z guarantee. This is an absolutely fantastic deal of a fan. And again, Honeywell is a trusted brand in the fan industry. They've got a great reputation and they really do live up to it. So pick it up, again, with Amazon Prime, free shipping, free returns, and the A to Z guarantee. And with tens of thousands of reviews, this thing has nearly a 5-star average, which means people absolutely love it. They trust Honeywell. Order today, you won't be disappointed.